Hey there, sewing enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super fun. The Godet skirt. Ever seen those skirts with extra flare and flow? That's the Godet skirt, and trust me, it's easier to sew than it looks. We're going to learn how to add some serious volume and movement to your skirt game. So, grab your fabric, and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a Godet? Well, it's a triangular piece of fabric that's inserted into a garment to add extra fullness. Think of it like a little fabric wedge that creates some serious swish. Godets are usually placed in the hem, which gives the skirt a lovely flared shape. They can be subtle, or they can be dramatic. It all depends on the size and number of godets you add. Okay, let's talk materials. You'll need your main fabric. I recommend something that drapes well, like a lightweight cotton, rayon, or even a nice silk. You'll also need some matching thread, your sewing machine, pins, a ruler, a pair of scissors or a rotary cutter, and a pattern. You can either draft your own pattern, or use a basic skirt pattern and modify it. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. If you're drafting your own pattern, start by measuring your waist and hip circumference, and your desired skirt length. Draw a basic skirt shape, either straight or slightly A-line, and add your seam allowances. Now, here's where the magic happens. Decide where you want to add your godets. Usually, they're placed at the hem. You can add as many as you like. For a classic look, try 4 or 6. More godets mean more flair. Next, you need to create the Godet pattern pieces. There are several ways to do this. The easiest method is to measure the desired length and width of your Godet. Generally, you can make the Godet around 6 to 12 inches wide at the hem, depending on how much flair you want. Cut out your Godet pattern pieces from paper and add seam allowances. The top edge of your Godet should be the same as the seam allowance of your skirt. Now, cut your godets from your fabric. Alright, it's sewing time. Pin the Godet to the skirt. Right sides together, and sew along the seam allowance. Be sure to align the edges carefully. Repeat this step for each Godet. Once all your godets are in place, sew the side seams of the skirt. You'll now have a skirt that's ready to turn right side out. Press all seams. And there you have it, your very own Godet skirt. And now for some extra tips. Experiment with different fabrics. Try contrasting fabrics for a pop of color or texture. Change the Godet shape. Instead of a triangle, you can use a curved shape for a more unique look. Add a lining. A lining will make your skirt more comfortable and give it a more professional finish. Be creative and have fun. So there you have it, folks. Now, you know how to add some serious volume and flow to your skirts. Don't be afraid to experiment, and most importantly, have fun while you're at it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.